don't want to see when you open a plane door.
For silk and and cargo also has it. The difference between having it in an arm mode and a disarm mode. Disarm means the girth bar that holds the slide raft. In the first place, where is the slide raft hidden? Inside the door bustle. As you can see in the sign, it says do not sit on it. Once you change this mode selector to the arm mode, what will then happen is the girth bar then locks itself to the floor bracket on the floor. Because it is locked and stuck down there, will then activate the gas bottle that's inside.
Yep.
And with that gas bottle, it deploys the slide raft. Before the crew opens the door, they actually have to check that it is safe to open, that there's no obstruction, no fire, nothing outside. If it looks clear to go, then they will just reconfirm that the slide is already armed,
Yep.
and then they will open the door.
That's an important one. There's nobody out there. And after
Yes.
this point, did I check? Did I
Yes.
learn my lesson?
Right.
Don't touch that thing.
No, that's fine, that's just the
This.
gas what release. So this is the handle that you
Okay.
open.
Okay, great. So, check that's clear. And it takes
Let go,
itself
that's
up.
called power assist.
Push
So,
it up.
yes, and hold on from here right, because passengers are behind you trying
Because they're trying to
out.
push me out.
Right, so now that it's fully inflated,
Off we go.
you don't go yet, your passenger goes first.
This reveals that. It looks quite empty to me. Off you go. Swap. Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, that's done clear.
Right. So, somebody forgot to disarm the door. Okay, so I think it should look like this. Oops. And then you will have also fire.
That's a bad sign.
Exactly, not very good. And a very happy visual you'll get is this with very nice sound. We have programmed the waves and it comes with different kind of program, different type of height. I mentioned that they all have to wear the uniform.
Yep.